How to double crochet. Materials needed. Make a slip knot and chain 12. Yarn over your hook. Insert your hook into the third chain from the hook. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull the hook through the first 2 loops. Yarn over once again and pull through the next 2 loops to finish the stitch. Do this 9 more times. Yarn over and insert your hook into the next chain. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. Yarn over again and pull the hook through the first 2 loops. Yarn over once again and pull through the next 2 loops to finish the stitch. Do this 8 more times. Chain 2 and turn. Please note, sometimes a pattern will have you can 3 and turn, and sometimes they may even have you count this chain 3 as a stitch. I like to chain 2 because the piece stays even. Repeat the process of yarning over, pulling up a loop for 3 loops on the hook and yarning over, and pulling through the first 2 loops and yarning over, and pulling through the last 2 loops. Chain 2. On this row we will make 2 double crochets in each stitch. At the end of the row you will have made 20 double crochets. Notice the width. You now have made 20 double crochets. Chain 2 and turn. You will be decreasing on the next row. To double crochet, decrease, yarn over your hook and insert it in the first street. Pull up a loop for 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook for 2 loops left on your hook. Without finishing the double crochet, yarn over and insert your hook in the next stitch. Pull up a loop for 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and draw through the first 2 loops on your hook for 3 loops left on the hook. Yarn over and draw through all 3 loops on your hook. First decrease made. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over and pull through for 3 loops on hook. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over and pull through for 3 loops on hook. Draw through the first 2 loops and leave the last 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop for 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Repeat this process across. At the end of the row, you will be back to 10 stitches. You have finished this lesson. You can go back to the book and print out the PDFs for lesson 4. In the next guided practice lesson, you will be making a dishcloth.